Okay, how about we try Come Rain or Come Shine?
Okay.
Okay. So now, Come Rain or Come Shine isn't like singing, you know, a piece from Broadway, right?
No.
No. If you were putting it with the genre, where would you put it?
It's like a bluesy jazz
Yeah,
song.
like a bluesy jazz. Okay, now when it comes to blues and jazz, what are the three most important things?
Words is the most important thing.
Right, because you have to communicate the words. I mean, but within any genre, the words are really important. So don't get me wrong. But particularly when it comes to jazz and blues and that kind of stuff. And what's the second thing?
Rhythm.
Rhythm is really important. Yeah. Now, you have some leeway with rhythm, but you have to stay within the framework of the piece, correct? Okay. And what's the third thing?
The feeling.
That's right.
Yeah.
If there are no feelings, nobody cares.
Yeah.
Nobody cares. And the last thing, those are the three most important things. The last thing is having a great voice. That's the last thing. Because if you do those three things well, you know, really, we can forgive almost anything in jazz, right? It helps. It's an added bonus if you have a really good voice, but it's not the most important thing, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Now, okay, you know now I'm not really a pianist, but here we go. Let's give this a shot. Okay, let's see here.
I'm gonna love you like nobody's loved you. Come rain or shine. Nobody's loved me. Come rain or come shine. Happy together. Ah, happy together. Oh, won't it be fine? The days may be cloudy or sunny. Either we're out of the money. I'm with you always. I'm with you, rain or shine. Shoot. Are we doing it another time? Shoot. Oh, okay. You know, since we stopped anyway, though, let's go back, because I want you to just take a little bit more time at the start of this and go off the rhythm just a little bit. Okay.
Now, you're staying within the framework of the rhythm. Okay, for example, I'm gonna love you like nobody's loved you. Come rain. You know, go off the rhythm just a little bit, okay? Here we go. I'm gonna love you
go for it, okay?
Okay.
I'm with you right there, and really use your body. Just go for it. Ready and I'm with you. Body in first.
Okay.
Here we go. I'm with you. Yeah.
Rain or You're gonna love me.
Wait a minute. Oh shoot! First of all, I can't play that.
You go to.
But listen, if we go back to
You're
gonna love me. Yeah. Now, if you want to sing that note, just sing the note.
Yeah.
But really, don't be afraid of the note. Just trust your body, just like you did it over here.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Right? Trust your body, and then it'll come and it'll be healthy rather than shoved from your chords. Yeah. Okay. So this is the return here. Or yeah, you gotta go right from your body. Right from your body. Your body goes in first. Here we go. Go. Yeah! Don't hold it. Don't hold it. Let it go. Just let it go.
You're gonna love me.
Yeah, let it go.
Like nobody's loved me.
Yeah. Shoot. I can't play it. But that was it. That was it. That's the thing. Okay, wait. Oh shoot, I wish I could play it. Here we go.
You're gonna love me.
Yeah.
Like nobody's loved me. Come rain or sunshine.
Don't hold. If you hold, you push from here. The days you gotta let your just let it open and let your body do the work. Let it do the work. Here we go. Days.
Made me cloudy,
so much easier because you're not pushing
Otherwise,
from here.
I feel like I'm pushing for me.
Yeah, let your body do it. And this is what I mean by there's no three voices. There's only your voice.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, if I were singing this, I wouldn't sing it like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because that's not how I would envision it. But I don't want you to sing it like I envision it. I want you to sing it like you envision it. You know. But no, that was really good. Okay.